How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Launch your TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your particular account. Then you will land on the official homepage of TikTok, where you can easily scroll, and from this For You page, you can easily watch any kinds of videos on TikTok. So in order to delete TikTok messages from both sides, tap on inbox icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see every conversation with the different peoples on this inbox section. If you wish to start any kind of conversation with new user, you can tap on the search icon at top right corner and then type in the username to start a conversation. For now, let's open any of the conversation where you want to delete the TikTok messages from both sides. So for the purpose of this video, let's send a message to this user. After you send the message, you need to tap and hold on the particular message and tap the delete button. Now tap delete for everyone and the message has already been deleted on the both sides on TikTok. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.